Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a product to Wishlist in Temu. To do this, firstly you'll have to go to your Temu app. Once you open your Temu app, you can see numerous products here. Under categories, you can choose one of the categories that you want to shop. You can choose a product under that category, and then to choose that you can tap on the product. Then here you can simply add the product to cart. If you want to buy it right away, you can tap on add to cart below on the bottom of your screen in orange. This will simply add the product to your cart. You can go to your cart and check it if you want to. However, if you don't want to add it to cart right away and you just want to save it to your wish list, you can go back and then you can scroll down to product details. Right beside product details, you can see the save option with the heart. You can tap on the heart and it will simply add this product to your wish list. A notification pops up on your screen when you tap on the heart, notifying you that the product has been saved to your wish list. Once the notification pops up on your screen notifying you that your product has been saved to wishlist, you can go back to your home to check. Now, once you're at your home, then you can go back to your profile. To do that, you will have to tap on the U option right between the categories and the basket option. Now you can scroll down and then here, right between browsing history and followed providers, you can see the wishlist option. Tap on wishlist. Here, you can see the item or the product that you just added to your wish list. Furthermore, to check, you can tap on the product and check your details. This is how you can easily add a product to wishlist in Temu. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.